I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. My husband Eric and I traveled out west to the state of Utah so we could film some of the spectacular national parks. Well, here, take a look. Anyway, we were driving in the middle of Utah, in the middle of nowhere. Came across this tiny little restaurant called the Bird Trail Grill. Well, I had a lamb burger that was so good. I literally sat there and took notes on this burger. And we've been eating it ever since. I'm going to grill up 2 lamb burgers. They're half-pound lamb burgers. So we'll get those on. And I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and lots of pepper. So we'll get those started. Now I'm going to make this sauce that they put on top of these burgers. This fabulous sauce they had is only 4 ingredients. I'm going to start with 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. You add 1/3 of a cup of crumbled feta cheese. A 1/4 of a cup of diced cucumbers, and 1/4 of a cup of chopped fresh mint. So we mix all that together. And that's done. So I'm going to go flip my burgers. And I'm going to season the second side too. A little bit of salt, lots of pepper. Flip the burgers one more time just to sear that salt and pepper onto them. And I'm also going to lightly toast the buns. I bought Kaiser rolls because they're a little hearty. I just put a little butter on them. So cook those for just a minute. Ready to put it together. Come over here and put this great topping on. First I put this cucumber mint sour cream topping on top. Add a tomato slice. Put the top on. Squish it down. This is just a nice change from a regular old hamburger. A lamb burger with this wonderful topping. Wow. With every bite, I'm back at Utah, beautiful Utah, looking at the sights.